Good morning. All right, so get caught up what's going on at the shop today. We have a 19 Mercedes Sprinter here. That's got the 4-cylinder turbo 274 motor. Kind of see what we got going on here. We're doing a head on it. So he's got all tore down. You can kind of take a look at it in there. Go ahead. All right, so you can see kind of what's involved in this type of job here. So everything's torn apart. I think this thing, like 15 or 16 hours of labor, I believe it calls for. So he's got a GLC 450 2020. Nick's doing a service on right now. So just a basic service. We got a couple of these Infinities we're doing. Just numerous stuff, small stuff, nothing crazy on. Nick's wrapping up this 13 F-150. Kind of see where he's at. Come check it out. So he's doing the full timing on her now. He's going back and he's gonna do a few other things while we're in here, take care of a couple of leaks. There's a vacuum pump that's leaking, and then we're gonna do that crossover pipe, that plastic piece that warps back there. Of course, he's got all new timing components on there. Oil control valves are all new. Tensioner. Yes, going back to get it smooth. Someone's been in there before. Sam's kind of fixing their mistakes. We're doing hoses and stuff like that also on it at the same time. It makes sense. So, what a shocker! I think there's a 16 Nissan Maxima CVT transmission went out of it. Why am I not shocked? He's gonna throw that in next. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. All right, so Kevin's over there. He's working on a 15 Tahoe. He's doing ball joints, belts, just small stuff on it. We're waiting on some parts to finish up this Toyota. But I'll show you what we found with this guy would complain about intermittently, like once every week, the ABS would just go off and just start stopping the vehicle. I'll show you what we found on it. You never know what you're gonna get on cars because this car has been in a wreck. The entire passenger side was missing all the parking shoes and all that. But look at this, it's been damaged. You can see it. So this would definitely cause it's weird. It's not throwing an ABS code, but once every week. Just intermittently does it. But that can definitely do it for sure. So they're going back with that. We're waiting on parts. Got a slew of cars outside. David's doing a bunch of maintenance on this 19 F-150 here. He's in the middle of a coolant service right now. So we have this machine that pulls out, you can see the difference in color. Here's the old fluid, there's the new fluid. You can kind of see the difference there. And the newer trucks use a yellow coolant, gold yellow. Old ones are orange, that's outdated. He's doing every service in this truck that you can think of.
Rear diff, front diff,
transfer case, transmission,
transmission, coolant,
belts, oil, all that stuff getting done. So he's in the middle of that now. This is another Mercedes Sprinter van, and I think he's pulled off the EGR cooler. Yeah, he's got that torn off. This is a 2018 3500 Sprinter. Okay. It's got the 642 diesel. So, all right, so here's what Nick found. That's where it blew apart right there. That's about it. Nothing really too crazy going on. Just waiting for parts. Waiting for parts. Right now, all the guys are kind of busy, worked up. Kevin's training Cal, the new guy. So, we'll get some more excitement in here. I'll let you know. Until next time. See ya. What up, fellas? It's Friday. Let's do a roundabout, see what's cracking here. All right, so first on the dock for Nick Dog. He's got a, is this 11? Yes. 2011 S5? Yeah. Okay, 11 S5. I don't know the mileage because we have no communication, no comm on nothing. So like Nick did his evaluation, he's requesting some time to do some pinpoint testing to find out what was taking the system down or what we're missing. So this is up for approval right now. So not sure of an answer. We haven't looked at it yet. This Volvo here, Got a couple things going on with this. He's almost done with it. We're waiting on a part. The balancer's coming apart on it. It's a 14 S60. I believe it's a 2.5 liter. Let's see here, see what it says. Yep, 2.5 liter. So we're doing the timing belt, water pump, the pulleys, the drive belts. We're waiting on the balancer. I'm not sure where the pulley went. The pulley was coming apart on the harmonic balancer, the crankshaft pulley. It was separating. It was shredding the belt. So I don't know where the old one I'd show you. I'm not sure where it went, but the new one should be in today from Volvo. So that'll take care of that. That's about done. I believe this is a 19 C63. Yep. It's a 19, it's an AMG Type S. It's got the V8 twin turbo in it. It stalled on him. We've already looked at it. He had 2 bars on the level gauge, but he had no fuel in it. So we added some fuel, started right up. The level sensor, which is on the passenger side, it's faulty. So this is out for approval from the customer. He's trying to see if he has a third-party warranty on it. But yeah, it needs just a level sensor. And this AMG's back on the road. So that's that. He's finished up this. He's almost done. And Cal's doing the transmission. We're going to take a look what it looks like over here on this Maximum. All right. So here's what you're looking at. So Nissan gives you a bunch of parts you have to buy that keep a warranty on it. So a bunch of gaskets, seals, bolts, all that stuff. You buy it with transmission, fluid, cooler, cleaner. They give you a warranty with it. So that's that. F-150's just services, just a bunch of services, nothing more than that. We're still waiting on there's a parking brake lever that we need that was missing on this van. We're just waiting on parts so we can finish it. That's that. So that's pretty simple. This here, we're in the middle of doing some work. It's on hold because I think the customer's got to prove a few more things on it, so they put it on hold. This, he's got the EGR off. We got the pipe in that was blown. This is that pipe that blew on it, blew apart. We're waiting for the rest of the parts. We're gonna go back with this. Should take care of this vehicle here. But that's pretty much about it right now. I think that's gonna get put together this weekend, most likely. So, find out. I've got a few cars outside, but it's pretty easy, pretty light today. Nothing really major diagnostic-wise except that one right there. That we tackled pretty early. Let's see what else we got diag-wise. Well, we did get a B&W just rolled in on the tow truck. What a shocker. Not really. So we'll figure out what's wrong with that one. So that should be B&W's new logo, flatbed towing their vehicle. They all comment on flatbeds, dude, all the time. Poor B&Ws. So till next time. See ya.